How to add or remove cards from TEMU. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add or remove cards from your TEMU app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon if you want to get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your TEMU app and make sure that you are logged in. So once you are logged in, you will land on the homepage like this. And at the bottom, you'll have different categories different tabs. You just want to head over to the U section. And from here, just tap on the settings icon, the gear icon at the top right corner. Once your settings is open, you will find your payment methods. Tap on it. Once your payment methods is loaded, you will have different options. At the very top, you will find the option for credit and debit cards. If you want to add a card, you just gonna tap on this. Here, you will just have to enter your card number, your expiration date, and your CVV number. Once you do that, you can just tap on add your card. Everything must be valid, so once you do that, your card will be added. And if you want to continue your payment with PayPal, that's completely fine as well. While you check out, you can always opt to PayPal and pay through your PayPal while you check out. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to remove any card, it will show up right here and you will have an option to remove it. So it's pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.